Do you want to learn how to normalize audio in Adobe Premiere Pro? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So to normalize the audio, we're going to first open up Premiere Pro, and I've got these two files over here. These are the two video files that I've recorded before. Now, inside this, you will find that these files have very low volume output. And if I right click it and go to audio gain, you will see the peak amplitude as -17. Maybe your other file has a peak amplitude higher than this file, and you've got multiple files in it. Now you want to normalize the audio across the entire scene sequence, and you do not want to keep clicking on one of these clips and changing the audio gain. So what you have to do is first have this on the left hand side, which is an audio meter you can get from window and audio meters, this one, and align it so that you can see it on the left hand side. Now right click it and make sure to select static peaks. Don't go for dynamic, because if we go for dynamic and I try to play this, it's going to jump up and down this yellow line. So what we want is static peaks. Now if I play it, this yellow line will stay here. Now, I want this whole entire sequence to have normalized audio. What we're going to do is right click and go to audio gain. Now click on normalize all peaks and make it -3. You can also go for -2 or -1, but it's going to be very close to 0. So let's just go for -3 and click on OK. And it's going to increase these waveforms here up. And as you can see, it has now increased the volume. Now, if I go for the play, just look at this yellow line. And as you can see that now the yellow line is at -6 and the volume has now also increased a lot. This is going to stay throughout the whole scene. It's going to stay at this -3 and it's not going to go above it. So it's just not going to normalize the clips in the whole scene. And if you've got like multiple clips with a different voice in it, voice volume in it, so you can just adjust it just by highlighting all of these and go to audio gain and normalize all peaks. Just do a -3 and that's it. So yeah, that's it. This is how to normalize audio in Premiere Pro. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know with a like and comment.